Okay, 90 customers at discount school are asked about the purchases during the past month. Let's see if we can put this information into here. So some of them bought books, so we'll call this B. Some of them purchased film, we'll call this F. And some of them purchased jewelry, we'll call this J. So let's have a look at the information. 20 said they purchased books. Well, we can't put that in because we don't know whether some of those did film or jewelry as well. So let's go to see where it had all three articles, and we find 3 had purchased all three articles. Let's just highlight so it's easier. There you go, 3 purchased all three articles. So let's put the 3 in here. Sorry, there we go, 3 in there. Now, let's go to the next piece of information. 6 had purchased both film and jewelry. So it's down here. So let's just put that in. 6 film and jewelry. So the overlap is 6. 3 of them are in all 3. So that only leaves 3 for just film and jewelry. Let's go to the next piece of information. We've got 8 that purchased both books and jewelry. So books and jewelry is here. 8 of them, so 3 of them were already accounted for, so that leaves another 5 to be allocated. Now let's look at the next bit of information. We got 15 had purchased both books and film. 15 purchased books and film, so 15 in this section here. Now if we just go around the outline, just in case you've not been quite following it so far, we can go around this outline. There's 15 in there. And we've got 3 already accounted for, so that leaves 12 still to be accounted for. Okay, next bit. 38 had purchased jewelry. So the jewelry is down here, 38. Well, there's 8 in there, so it gives us down to 30 to put in here. We've got 3 in there, so it leaves 27 only purchased jewelry and nothing else, because some of them did jewelry and some other things. Anyway, 45 purchased film. So 45, there's 15 with the books and another 3 here. So 15 of 45 is 30. 3 of 30 is 27 again. It's a coincidence. So 27 purchased film only. The other lot of the 45 are made up by 3 in here, which gets you up to 30, and the 15 in here, which gets you up to 45. And last of all, 20 said they'd purchased books. So there's got to be 20 in this group, and notice we've got 12, 3 and 5, that is 20, so 0 people purchase books only. Now there are 90 customers altogether. Let's just see what this adds up to. Well, we know that there were 45 in the film. Add on to that 5 gives you 50. Add on 27 gives you 77, and there were 90 altogether, so 13 had purchased none of these things. So let's answer the questions. How many purchased books or film but not jewelry? So books or film but not jewelry. Now let's just highlight the sections that this is dealing with. So we've got books or film but not jewelry, so can't go into this group here. So we've got 0, 12 plus 27. So we get 12 plus 27, which equals 39. Now let's look at the group that purchased books and film but not jewelry. So books and film but not jewelry, and that's this group here. Books and film but not jewelry. So this 12 here is the answer. So let's look at the next thing. Jewelry but not books or film. So jewelry, but it can't be books or film, so it's only these 27. So the answer to that is 27. At least one of these 3 articles. So let me just choose another highlighter pen. At least one of these 3 articles. Well, basically it's everything except for this 13. Okay, so everything except for 13, because all of these, that's 1 article, there's 2, there's 3, there's 2, there's 2 articles in there, and 3 and 1 there. So at least one of these 3 articles, everything except for that 13. So that's 90 minus 13, which gives us 77. Exactly one of these three articles. Right, let's just get another highlighter. Exactly one of these three articles. Well, that's exactly one of these three articles. That's exactly one of these three articles. And this is exactly one of these three articles. So we need to add up all of those. And the answer to that is going to be 27 plus 27 plus 0, which equals 54.